So earnings season is really heating up now, and we only have 500 companies reporting this week, but it's some of the big kahunas. And so everybody's going to be tuning in. What's happening out there in the economy, globally and in the United States? This is on everyone's minds. So get ready, buckle up, because it's going to be a crazy one. For today's video, I'm bringing you 5 of the hottest stocks this week. These are the super on fire, crazy stock charts that we've all been watching. What's going to happen with these? Can they keep their momentum? Let's check them out and see who is the hottest stocks right now. So here they are, the 5 hottest stocks this week, and it's leading off with Intuitive Surgical, one that maybe you don't hear talked about as much as some of the others, but as you can see, it's breaking out to a new high here, and it's only missed twice since our data began in 2017. So that's a pretty great track record by this big medical device or, Da Vinci Code systems maker. But we'll see. We'll see if this momentum can hold. Now, remember, a lot of elective surgeries were postponed during the pandemic. Most have resumed, but some states have now elected to stop with the electives again. So how is that going to be impacting their business? We're going to find out, but everybody thinks things are kind of going back to normal here. That's why you got the breakout. But Intuitive, great looking chart right now. Then we're going to switch over to Microsoft. Of course, this has got to be one of the hottest stocks, right? It's hot, and it has a great earnings surprise track record. Just that one miss back in 2016. That's the only thing marring its otherwise perfect record. But these shares too busted out. Are they too hot to handle? I heard someone talking about how, don't buy here, it's crazy, but they're trading at 32 times. That's not super expensive for double-digit earnings growth. So we'll see, can they maintain that double-digit earnings growth? That's the big question. And then switching over to one of our favorites, of course, Tesla. Now, they have improved on the earnings surprise track record, beating the last 3 quarters, but no one has ever bought this for the beat or the miss or any of that. It's all about the future and what's coming down the pike. Now, there actually are some earnings and things going on with the company now, but should you be paying this high a price for what they're doing? That's always been the question, but this is fun nevertheless. And then Chipotle is our 4th stock. This one also seeing, quite a bit of hotness here. They have really turned it around since their PR disaster that happened all the way back in like 2016, 2017 in that range. And then these shares bottomed out. They have been moving, and they're doing a lot of things right, even with the restaurant shutdown. They have a great new app. I have to admit, I've signed up. I'm one of their loyalty members now. Might as well get some freebies or whatnot. And I order on the app and just pick up in the store. It's so easy. So a lot of the fast casual restaurant chains are doing this now, and Chipotle is really killing it. It's also just has that reputation for its fresh tasting food. People want that right now. But again, question is, how much do you pay for this stock? It's trading at 122 times now. That's among the most expensive I've seen it in a long time. So can it hold on, and can it continue with this great momentum? We will see. And then I'm going to wrap it up with a surprise one, although we have talked about it here on the Earnings All-Stars videos in the past. So if you've watched us the last couple of years, I've talked about Corp, and they have a good track record of beating. They beat the last 4 quarters. These shares are off to the races because what else do we want to do? We want to stay at home. We want to buy that pool. Or if we can't get like the big, nice in-the-ground pool, then we're buying anything that resembles a pool, and we need supplies with that. We need, float devices. We need the cleaning solutions. We need, the diving boards, all this stuff, plus the other outdoor stuff that pool also sells. So will it be as hot again as this chart seems to indicate? A lot of hopes and dreams going into this one. It's trading at 49 times earnings right now. So that's pretty expensive for a stock like this, but we shall see. And they are global. They're not just US, they have big Australia business as well. So we'll see what's happening over there with them as well. So these are just five of the hottest stock charts for this week. There are others. So I'm going to be covering all the action all week long and all this earnings season. So you want to be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube. You can get there by going to zacks.com/YouTube. Just subscribe, just get the videos every time we make a new one. And you'll find that there's a lot going on this earnings season, so you don't want to miss a single one. Be sure to check out all of our videos and follow me on Twitter, because I'm going to be posting even more earnings all-star charts over there, all the hot ones. So be sure to get us somewhere, and I'll see you again next time with some more earnings charts.